Suppose your C drive is full and you want to move your Epic game to another drive or another folder. But the problem is, if you just copy paste the game files, your game will not run, right? Means you have to download complete game on your new folder. And today's game size are 100, 150 GB, right? Don't worry, here is a simple way. Just follow the steps as it is, and your game will move without downloading it. And that will run too. So let's get started. Okay, so suppose we wanted to move this game, Shadow of the Tomb Raider. But before that, let me show you where actually the game files are downloaded on my machine or on my server. So this is the folder location where this game is installed, and you can see all the game files here. So the first step, we will change the name of this folder. So I'm just adding the suffix underscore old, and this folder is present at this location. And now we will go to the Epic Games application. We will select this Shadow of the Tomb Raider game and simply click on install button as normal. Now Epic Games will ask you for the installation folder. So make sure you are giving the location where you wanted to install your game or you wanted to move your game. So for example, in my case, I wanted to download this game at this location. So I will navigate to that folder and simply select that folder. Now these are two tick box, so it's up to you if you want them or not. So simply choose it and click on install. So once you click on install, you will see the download is started. So you can see that 61 GB is the game size. So what we will do that we will wait for some files to download, at least 1 to 2% of the total game size. So let's wait until 600 MB or 700 MB of game files is downloaded. So you can see that 700 MB is downloaded, and now the second step comes. And the second step is to pause the download. So simply click on this pause button and it will pause your download. And now the third step, we will go back to the installation folder. So you can see here we have two folders. The first one with the old suffix that have all the game files, means 64 GB of game files. And the second one that is newly created and that have only 700 MB of game files. So now the third step is we will copy all the game files from the old folder to the new folder. Does not matter if they are on the same drive or on the different drive. But make sure that all of your game files from the old folder, they are pasted into the new folder. So for this, I have deleted this new folder that is only have 700 MB of game files. And now I will change the folder name of this old folder. And this folder has all the game files of 60 GB. So what I will do that I will remove this underscore old from this folder. And now we only have one folder and that have all the game files of 60 GB. And now the third step is completed. So we will go back to the Epic Games application. And now the fourth step comes. So you can see that this game is still in pause state. So the fourth step is we will resume this download. And now the magic happens. And the magic is that all of your game files is downloaded now. And Epic Game is now verifying those files. So you can see that this verifying stage is started. Although this will take some time in my case because all the game files are in my NAS drive. But if these files are in your PC, then it will be quick. But there is a big benefit of a NAS drive, especially when you have 2 or 3 PCs. So you do not need to download the game files in all the PCs. You just download it once on your NAS server or your NAS storage, and then you can play that game in any of your PC. If you want to know how I did it, then do let me know. I will make sure to make a video on that as well. Okay, so verification is almost done now. It is 100%. And you can see that this game is installed now, even without downloading the game files. So let's close this window and you can see that game is available to launch in your PC. Okay, so try it and make sure you follow the steps as it is. If you face any problem, then do let me know and make sure you like and subscribe.